Hi everyone, welcome to the Crack the Vault collaboration, where each month a group of us pull out things we've had in our stash that maybe we've never used or we haven't used in a long time. I apparently got this in early 2018 and I'm pretty sure I never used this. This is card front dies. It makes this kind of stand-up card. Pretty easy actually, but it has a lot of pieces that you can use to embellish. And then I also pulled out to use as the card base, which I think was a little bit of a mistake. I've had this forever and I had used some of it, but I have a ton of these pinks and blush, and it is definitely more blush, textured cardstock. It has a white center and I'm so not used to that anymore, but I used it. And also I just grabbed the first paper pad I could reach on my shelf because I have stuff piled in front of it. I've had this Butterfly Blooms Hot Buy from Michael's, 48 sheets. It also says 2018-03, I'm guessing, so early 2018 for this one, and it had not been cut open. So I pulled out 5 sheets, but I only ended up using this one, and one of the cut apart sheets. I used one cut apart. Aren't these cute? This Butterfly Blooms. It's such a pretty paper pad. And I love butterflies and flowers, so this is so me. But I forgot I had it. Oh, look at that. You are mint greatness. And there's another cut apart sheet I pulled out, and it has a glitter strip on it, and I was thinking about using that. It's got some other, let me show you. This is the second cut apart sheet. See, there's like a glitter strip, and there are some papers in here, and this has glitter around it. There are some, and this one, and there's a paper in there like this in the background. And this one has glitter too, and this one. So anyway, there are glittered papers, but the one I cut apart had these on it, and this one, and then the one I used in the card. And then, so I still have, like, I cut one 12 by 12 of each of these in half, and I still have this much left. But I don't have anything but little tiny pieces of the pink paper that I used out of the other pad. Actually, I probably have a half a sheet, and then the half sheet that I used is now little bits left. So, and then I also brought in this Spun Sugar Distress Marker I haven't used in a long time, just to go around the edges because I don't like the white core. And these are not 6 months old. These are the only thing that are newer to me. The kit is from September 22, I think, Spellbinders Clubs. I'm not part of the clubs, but I bought the kit this year, actually. And I ended up getting an extra one of these, so I thought, you know what, it has pinks and stuff in it. I'm going to see if any of those match, and one sort of did. And then I used these, which I have had since the beginning of the January-April 23 mini. So that would be earlier. Well, is that right? Or was it 22? Well, maybe these aren't 6 months old either, but I used them because they're flat. I wanted them because they're flat. Anyway, let me bring in, I only made one card. I'm probably going to sit here and make another one or two a little later today, but this is my card. It was hard finding an exact color match for the pink. I'm kind of thinking, and I might try it for the next one. Stampin' Up! Had a color called Rococo Rose, and I still have some of that paper. I think that might actually match better, but I used this lighter pink color. You can see the inside there. And there's a die that cuts out this. There's a die that cuts out all different sizes of this so that you can layer, but I just put the one down. It has little dots around the edge, and there's another one that has dots all over it. This is the cut apart. It just says hello lovely. I'm thinking about putting like diamond, what is it called, the glitter glue, you know, the clear sparkly glitter glue around here, or if I have a white pearl, maybe that. This little piece here is a cut apart from the die set. The die cuts the little tabby thing, and so when I die cut the paper, now on the example they have this smaller, but if to get that tab in there, I guess what you do is you cut it out using the die and then cut a 1/4 inch around. I didn't even think to do that, so I just put it even with it, and just cut a little bit off the one end on the inside so it wouldn't be over the crease or up at the crease. And this, putting all that on the front makes it heavy, which helps hold it sitting down. So what do you think? Should I put some kind of sparkle on here? I think I should. Maybe around the edge of this. But that's going to be on the inside, so I didn't want to put too much dimension there because it will fold flat like that, right? Isn't that pretty? And then, but this paper is not as thick as what I'm used to, the cardstock. So I did go around the edges, like I said, with the spun sugar because I didn't like the white. I didn't go around the edges of this, though. Oops. Anyway, that's what I did for my project for this month for Crack the Vault. I'm probably going to make a few more. I didn't realize these were so easy. I get a little afraid when I see all these pieces and stuff, but honestly, you can make a card like this yourself. Maybe if you just want to do a circle, all you would have to do is crease it and then die cut like a half circle or half square or something. So I might try that someday, but not today. I have other things on my plate today. So that's it. That's it for my project this month. I'm sorry it's not much. The third Friday of the month really snuck up on me this month for some reason. I don't know why. I was thinking May's a long month, so surely it's not yet, and yep, there it is. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to click on the links below and check everyone else out, or you can use the hashtag, which will be either in the title or right at the top of the description box below. And we'll hope to see you again next month too. Hugs, love, and peace. Take care.